Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up my August Boxycharm. I'm going to try everything on, open it up, share everything that I got with you guys. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. All right, so there are two different skincare products in the box, so I'm gonna pull both of them out. I normally would not use this much skincare in the morning before I put my makeup on, but for the sake of today's video, I'm going to. So the first one is from Wander Beauty. We've gotten quite a few products from Wander Beauty in the boxes, and this is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And I'm sorry if you guys can hear my neighbors. I swear, I feel like I say this in like every single video. I just have loud neighbors and they're outside yelling and like doing stuff. So sorry if you can hear that. Anyway, this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. No matter what skin type you have, this lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. This spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. So we're gonna try this out. I actually have another, I love this packaging. I have another face oil with this packaging, and it's this one, the No Problem Prime Essence, which I think I actually got in Boxycharm as well. So anyway, I'm just going to take a couple of drops of this. Oh, it's pink. I wasn't expecting that. And I'm going to pat it into my skin. This is actually thicker than I was expecting it to be. It doesn't feel like an oil. Like, I don't know if you can see that. It's definitely not like full oil consistency. And I can't really smell anything. It doesn't have a scent. Also, this retails for $42. It definitely has made my skin feel pretty sticky, which is fine. I'm sure that'll go away as it sinks into my skin. The next skincare item is from Peach and Lily, which I actually haven't heard of this brand, but the packaging is gorgeous. So this one says it's the Glass Skin Refining Serum, and it says silky, weightless, and instantly absorbing. The serum helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm, delivering more dramatic results with continued use. Expertly blended with potent, earth-born, and high-tech beautifying ingredients, you'll uncover skin that is poreless, translucent, and luminous in like a pane of glass. And this retails for $39. I actually really like their packaging. So this one just has a pump, and I'm just putting a little bit on my skin. This one is a clear consistency formula, and it's actually, it seems thinner than the oil did, which is interesting. All right, I'm just gonna give those a little bit of time to sink in, and then I will move on to my next product. All right, I put my foundation on, and now I'm going to set it with this from Becca. This is the Hydra-Mist and Refresh Powder. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on your skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. This retails for $39, and I'm actually so excited about this. I have been wanting to try this. I actually saw it in a set that the Nordstrom anniversary sale was having, so I'm super, super excited to try it. I almost bought that set, but then I had some of the other things in it, so I decided against it. Okay, so inside it has kind of like a little net to sift, and then you keep this closed, and it says, "Keep me closed to keep me cool." So I'm just gonna use my EcoTools sheer powder brush and get some of that on the brush. And then I always just use the cap to kind of like get it really in the brush. Oh my gosh, this does feel wet. Weird. It almost feels like it's like going to ruin my makeup. Interesting. I've never used a powder with this consistency before. I wish I could explain it. I'm sure you guys know if you get your brush wet, it feels like the bristles are sticking together and it's like, yeah, my brush feels damp. So it almost feels like it's not going to blend nicely, but it does look pretty good. All right, so first impression, I did like it. It was definitely not what I was expecting when I applied it. And I definitely think it's like clinging to certain areas. Like on my chin, I think it looks really powdery. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup until the next product. Okay, I finished my face makeup. I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I have these two single shadows from Beaute. This is the Glimmer Shadow Duo, high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, especially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading, and they retail for $25. So in here, I have the shade Huckleberry and French Vanilla. So today I'm going to use Huckleberry, and these actually have kind of similar packaging to the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. So I'm just going to swatch both of them for you, and then I think I'm just going to apply with my finger. Okay, they definitely have some color payoff. So again, I'm just going to take Huckleberry and I'm going to dip my finger into it and then just place it all over my lid. Okay, so that definitely went on very easily. I'm just going to take Purr from my Man-Eater palette and kind of throw this right into the crease how I normally do. Alright, I'm going to throw some mascara on and finish my eyes, and then we'll move on to the next product. Okay, I threw on some mascara and this pencil from Urban Decay. It is in the shade Love Drug. It's like a deep purple. So I threw that under my lower lash line. All right, last product in the box is from Steve Laurant. This is the lip pencil in the shade Vogue. On here it says, reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. And this retails for $15. And it has that stupid packaging that's always so hard to get off. And if I get it off in one try, I'm like fully impressed with myself. Today was a decent day. Okay, so this is the shade. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. And then I am going to fill them in. Okay, this wasn't the easiest to apply, but I think that it's going to stay, which is always a good thing. So I like it. I like this color. I think this is going to be really pretty for fall. And good thing Boxycharm didn't send an ugly lip color, because I feel like that is their MO. So I really like this. I'm going to throw a gloss on it because you guys know I'm a glossy kind of girl. So this is the finished look. I feel like this is the first time in a long time that I've actually worn all of the products and liked the way that my makeup turned out. So I consider that a win. I'm just gonna run through the products really quickly and share kind of my final thoughts. So the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, I did like this. It soaked into my skin really quickly, which was nice because I was able to wear makeup over it. A lot of face oils leave your skin feeling slippery for longer, and it's harder to like have the patience to let it sink in long enough for makeup. So I did like this. It definitely wasn't the consistency of a normal face oil that I have personally used, but I'm excited about this. I want to say this is the first Wander Beauty product that I've actually enjoyed, so there's that. Next was the serum from Peach and Lily. This is the Glass Skin Refining Serum, and I really enjoyed this as well. I forgot to see if it smells. No, I can't smell it, but it does say it has peach extract in it, so I was wondering if it would have a peachy scent. It does not, which I personally like more because I hate the scent of peach. But anyway, I really enjoyed this as well. I don't think I would use both of these before makeup, but I definitely think that I will get my use out of this, and I think the packaging is so adorable. Next was the Becca powder. This is the Hydra-Mist and Refresh powder. I've never had a powder that felt wet going on. It was very interesting. I'm excited to continue using this and just testing it out to see if I love it. I liked it, but I can't decide if I'm going to use it again and hate it, if that makes any sense. I know that sounds crazy, but I did like it. It looked a little powdery here, but after I finished my makeup and then set my face, I feel like it looks good. And the rest of my makeup went on over it beautifully, so I think it did a good job. It was just very, very different than the other powders that I have in my collection. The eyeshadows from Ace Beauty are probably my least favorite item in the box this month, just because I don't think I'll get a ton of use out of them. I think they were gorgeous and they applied really, really easily, and they're pigmented. Like, I have nothing bad to say about the formula. I just don't know that these colors are something I'm going to get a ton of use out of. I think if it was like a brown or a copper or like a champagne color, I would get more use out of them. And then lastly is the Steve Laurant lip liner. I really like this shade. I think it's gonna be perfect for fall. I really enjoyed it. It was a little bit difficult to put on, but I think that's because of the formula of the pencil. Other than that, I really liked it. It feels like it's gonna stay, so that's that. Overall, this box for me, it was a total win. This is one of my favorite boxes that I've gotten so far, and I added everything up, and all of the products together retail for $160, and you can get the box for $21 a month. So per usual, I'm going to link everything down below, including Boxycharm, in case you're interested in signing up yourself. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.